Hello, fellow investors, and welcome back to CHAT ETF, the channel where we dive deep into the world of exchange-traded funds, exploring unique investment opportunities and strategies. And today, we have an exciting lineup for you as we uncover two thematic ETFs that might be flying under the radar, each with under $100 million in assets under management, AUM. So, if you're on the lookout for hidden gems in the ETF universe, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights. Now, let's get started. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have become a staple in the investment landscape, providing investors with diversified exposure to various asset classes. While larger, more mainstream ETFs often dominate the spotlight, there is a realm of smaller ETFs offering unique thematic exposures for discerning investors. We explore two intriguing thematic ETFs with under $100 million in assets under management, AUM, the VanEck Environmental Services ETF, EVX, and the Global X Defense Tech ETF, SHLD. VanEck Environmental Services ETF, EVX. The VanEck Environmental Services ETF, EVX, caters to investors seeking exposure to the burgeoning environmental services sector. Despite its modest AUM, this ETF offers a unique lens into companies actively involved in waste management, pollution control, and environmental consulting. Key features. Niche exposure. EVX provides investors with access to companies at the forefront of addressing environmental challenges. From waste disposal to sustainable energy solutions, the fund encompasses a diverse range of firms dedicated to making a positive impact on the environment. Performance potential. With increasing global awareness of environmental issues, companies within the environmental services sector may experience growth opportunities. EVX, with its focused approach, allows investors to potentially capitalize on the evolving landscape of sustainable business practices. Risk mitigation. The thematic focus of EVX provides a level of diversification that may not be achievable with broader ETFs. Investors looking to navigate environmental trends and opportunities may find value in the targeted exposure offered by this ETF. Global X Defense Tech ETF, SHLD. For investors intrigued by the intersection of technology and defense, the Global X Defense Tech ETF, SHLD, offers a compelling thematic investment option. This ETF aims to capture the growth potential within the defense technology sector, showcasing companies at the forefront of innovation in defense-related technologies. Key features. Innovative defense solutions. SHLD provides exposure to companies engaged in the development and application of cutting-edge technologies for defense purposes. This includes firms specializing in cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and advanced weaponry. Global security trends. As geopolitical tensions continue to shape global security priorities, the defense technology sector is poised for growth. SHLD allows investors to navigate this landscape and potentially benefit from advancements in defense capabilities. Diversification in defense. While traditional defense stocks may dominate larger ETFs, SHLD offers a more specialized and diversified approach. Investors seeking exposure to the innovation and technological advancements within the defense sector may find this ETF appealing. Investment value of smaller AUM ETF. The investment value of smaller AUM ETFs extends beyond their relatively modest size. While larger ETFs often dominate the investment landscape, smaller AUM ETFs can offer distinct advantages for investors seeking unique opportunities and diversification. Let's delve into the key aspects that contribute to the investment value of smaller AUM ETFs. Point 1. Niche exposure and specialization. Smaller AUM ETFs frequently focus on niche markets and specialized sectors that may not be adequately covered by larger, more generalized funds. Investors looking to capitalize on specific themes or industries can benefit from the targeted exposure that these smaller funds provide. This specialization can lead to a more precise representation of market trends and potential for outperformance. Point 2. Flexibility and agility. Smaller AUM ETFs are often more agile in adjusting their portfolios to market changes or emerging trends. With fewer assets under management, fund managers can swiftly reallocate investments based on evolving market conditions. This adaptability allows investors to stay on the forefront of dynamic industries and capitalize on opportunities that might be overlooked or overshadowed by larger funds with more bureaucratic processes. Point 3. Potential for growth. As smaller AUM ETFs gain recognition and attract investor interest, they may experience rapid growth. Early investors in these funds could benefit from the compounding effect as the fund expands, potentially resulting in increased liquidity and lower trading costs. Additionally, the growth of the fund may attract more institutional interest, further enhancing its market presence. Point 4. Diversification beyond mainstream sectors. Larger ETFs often have significant exposure to well-established sectors and industries. Smaller AUM ETFs, on the other hand, can provide investors with opportunities for diversification beyond mainstream markets. This diversification can be particularly valuable during market downturns when uncorrelated assets may help mitigate overall portfolio risk. Point 5. Innovative themes and strategies. Smaller AUM ETFs are more likely to embrace innovative investment themes and strategies. These funds may be among the first to capture emerging trends or disruptive technologies that are not yet fully recognized by the broader market. Investors with an appetite for innovation and a willingness to accept higher risk may find these funds to be a compelling addition to their portfolios. Point 6. Access to undervalued assets. In some cases, smaller AUM ETFs may invest in assets that are undervalued or overlooked by larger funds. This can be attributed to the nimbleness of smaller funds in identifying hidden gems or opportunities in less crowded spaces, potentially leading to enhanced returns for investors. Conclusion. While these thematic ETFs may be smaller in terms of AUM, they offer investors the opportunity to explore niche markets with growth potential. The VanEck Environmental Services ETF, EVX, and the Global X Defense Tech ETF, SHLD, present unique thematic exposures that might not be widely represented in larger, more mainstream ETFs. As investors continue to seek opportunities beyond conventional asset classes, these under-the-radar ETFs demonstrate the potential for growth and diversification in specialized sectors. It's essential for investors to conduct thorough research and consider their risk tolerance before incorporating these thematic ETFs into their portfolios. That wraps up today's deep dive into the VanEck Environmental Services ETF, EVX, and the Global X Defense Tech ETF, SHLD. We hope you found these thematic ETFs as intriguing as we did. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to CHAT ETF for more in-depth analyses, market insights, and discussions on all things ETF. Until next time, happy investing and stay tuned for more exciting content.